My name is Juan Marquez. I'm here at MB West Contracting. I've been with MB West for 25 years now. I started in 1999. My day-to-day starts off with getting up early in the morning and calling plants, calling my guys, letting them know where we're starting that morning. So once I get my crews out there on the job, I get out there, I show my foreman what the scope of work is. After we get all that, I will circle back to the office, get the jobs laid out for the following days, and also look at future work for ourselves. And then try to circle back in the evenings and check on these guys in the field to see if they're doing all right and check quality work. When I started here in 1999, I started as a laborer, running signs, working in the field, doing a lot of the handwork, and within a couple of years I switched over to an operating role. So I came up to the company running heavy equipment, so therefore I learned how to run everything here. And as it progressed, I ended up moving into a foreman's role probably 10 years ago, and now I've been in this role I'm in now as a superintendent for 5 years, I think, or maybe 6. One of my proudest accomplishments coming to West is making it for 25 years and learning every part of the company. You know, as far as from being the laboring to the operating to the day of the operations now, and all the behind the scenes of building work and estimating. I've learned a lot over the years working here. I probably enjoy most is getting out in the field and seeing new places in the state and just seeing the accomplishment of starting a job and finishing it. You know, seeing a road from deteriorating state to being finished off and riding well. I really enjoy seeing the start to finish part of it. Teamwork looks like, for me, is coming into the office and we look at work, sit down with the project managers, help them build it to bid this work. And then from there, they hand it off to us and we take it to the field where all of our foremans and crews build the work. So it's a start to finish from the office all the way to the last roller man off the road. Being best at the West here is coming in every day, working hard, learning new things, and doing quality work. I feel like working here at West, that's one thing we do is quality work. My advice would be to someone new would be to watch and learn from everyone, from the simple man shoveling all the way up to your foreman and your bosses. You will learn a lot by just watching and learning every day. I'm excited to see how the growth, we are growing every day, getting larger and larger. I'd love to see how we would be in 10 years. If West had a mascot, it would be Barrel Bob. They set him out next to the highway on Traffic Awareness Day. He is a man built out of barrels, holding a stop sign, wearing a vest. And that would be fitting for us since we're on the highway all the time. 3 words that describe my job would be exhausting, enduring, and accomplished. My favorite work snack would probably be the beef jerky. You know, you always gotta be on the go in our situations.